Hi. Hi guys, and let me tell you this. You know that Grimlock is from Transformers? Well, he's on the good side because if you see that, that's the good guy. That means that he's an Autobot. And he was the biggest Autobot that all of the Autobots had to splat themselves onto there to make his sign that he's a good guy. And he's the powerfulest than all of the Autobots. Now, come on. Like that, then you do that. And there we go. And now I know what this little dinosaur's name is. Lex, the T-Rex. Let me show you his name. It's on there. And he was the king of all the dinosaurs, even though he eats scrap instead. And as you can see, I'm going to turn this on. And it might frighten you, but do not worry, it's not even real.
I'm T-Rex. My name means King of the Tyrant Lizards. You look tasty.
Okay.
Start your engine.
Okay, first, because my baby likes him on this weird mode.
Start your engine.
And she always laughs at that mode.
This is my road. Start your engine. Which driver do you?
And also, you can do that.
Which driver do you like most? I'm T-Rex. My name means King
Well,
of the Tyrant Lizards.
he also tells you that he's not scared. And also, he can change his eye. And he's very furious.
My arms are small and weak, but I can still hurt you with my teeth.
And also, he tells you that. And also, he can change his level height. Or he can change his eyes back to normal. Because he's a predator.
You look tasty.
Even though his friends go. There's a pterodactyl friend and a triceratops friend and a stegosaurus friend.
Obey your king.
And he says that even though he has a round eye. And let me tell you the features. If you do that,
Did I mention I'm the king?
he can go like that. This little man over here, if you actually press that button, that makes him furious. Was it that one?
King of the road coming through.
And also he says that. He says, King of the Road.
King of the road coming through.
As you can see, he said that twice. And also, you can also stop this guy And as you can see, this little picture comes up if you turn it into a car.
Put the pedal to the metal.
And you know what he means? Just do that.
This is my road.
And as you can say that. Oops. And as you can see, this is in Transformers. And, it also works like that. And this, come on! Oh.
Put the pedal to the metal.
Yes.
Turn my wings.
Turn your wings. Okay, the wings are on.
This is my road.
And as you can see, it's very noisy though. And as I showed you have to do that. How many times did I have to tell you, Mr. Transformer? Do it like that. Up! You're supposed to go up, you idiot. I'm going this one. Oh, come on. How come you're not working? That's it. I'm going to do it the other way. Well, there's two ways how to transform this thing. Right. Come on. I'm clipping up. Now it does that. And now, fight. You think I should get that out? No, I'm talking about robots. And as you can see, this has a stronger tail than that. Now watch. And all that does is just does nothing. It just backs him up and then just backs him forwards. And you see that little knob over there? There's actually 3 or 4 knobs to just strike. And he might look like a Indominus Rex to you, but he's not. He's just a T-Rex. Well, I used to have another one, but I was fighting with this one and the other one, and then clash. Hey, mister. What? And as you can see, this one looks like when you tip him over, he looks like a parrot.
Mana? Kemana sila fight?
Yeah, they
Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Tanong ako ya.
Thank you for watching. Okay. Let me turn you
See
off.
you soon.
And that's who he says that. Goodbye. Oh. Thanks.